So you stumble upon this video and you're interested in making money online and you just don't know where to start. You're probably sitting around, you're like, you know what? I'm not making enough money for my job, or I started a business, I started an online business, but I still have yet to understand how to actually get paid because you come online to get paid. I know, not necessarily start a business, but you came online to get paid. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one of the best ways of how you can start a business and learning how to get income from home, because you got to learn how to do it. So in this video, you want to pay attention. My name is Shelton and welcome to this video today. And in this video, we're going to talk about it, how you can actually finally make an income from home, because I know that's what you want, and how you can do it on simple steps that you can take on a daily basis to give you that opportunity to make money from home. Now, if you haven't yet, hit that red subscribe button right below this video. It's a red button. It's really red, actually. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is? And it's that time I'm going to launch this program. They're going to teach you step by step. It's taught me step by step, because when I first got online, I really wished they had something this simple to put you in that position to make money online. And as I'm so excited about it, I'm going to show you my screen right here. Let me go ahead and show you this right here. Introducing Discover Why Bulletproof is the fastest growing system on the internet. And as you see right in the bottom here, people are already purchasing this system for $99.97. Now I'm dying to show you this because this system here has helped me make actually income from home. So results are not typical. I'm not going to say that you sign up on this program and you instantly make money from home. I'm telling you, you're going to learn the exact step-by-step training on exactly how to set up your own money-making business from home. So it's going to be set up. But you do have to put things in there to go ahead and have results in your business. Now, I'm going to go ahead and scroll up here because I want to show you this video. Now, right below this video, there's a description here, how to make money from home, step by step. You can do this as well. I'm going to play a little bit of this video, this strategy video here, and you'll watch this video as well, because I want to show you exactly why you should do this and how you can get signed up.
I want you to stop what you're doing and pay very close attention to this video. The reason why you're on this page and you're watching this video and you're hearing my words, you're hearing my voice, is you are looking to make money online. And I have been doing that for the last 4 years, teaching people just like you how to build a full-time income online. Now, here's the reality. It's not as easy as you think, but it's also not that hard. It just takes a little bit of effort and a little bit of work.
Check it out. A little bit of work, a little bit of effort, and it's a plug in your own money making business from home. As you see right here, people are buying it as we speak, 29 minutes ago. So this is live right now. People are getting the system, and they're getting results from this system because they believe in themselves. You see that belief sign here? And they believe in yourself. But this is called Bulletproof, and this system is so step by step easy way for you to make money from home. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about it a little bit, because I know you want to know, like, what is this Bulletproof system and how can this help me? First of all, it's risk-free with 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you're not happy with this system here, we will go ahead and refund your money. Just like that, refund it. And think about it, it's only $9.97 to learn the basic fundamentals of a simple step-by-step process of how you can have your own money-making business. Now, it is the #1 fastest growing system. It really is, because of this thing here. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. 3 steps. 3 steps. Not 4 steps, not 5 steps, not 10 steps. 3 steps. Now, you probably want to know where these 3 steps are. Well, the first step is the most important, is your mindset, because whenever you join a company or whatever you start something, you do need to have a certain mindset in yourself to be able to take action on a daily basis. We got that covered. So if you're struggling with your mindset, the #1 thing in here in terms of the step that you're going to go through. It's going to be the bulletproof mindset. So you're going to learn to rewire your mind to align with abundance of happiness and greatness, and learn how to create a rock solid foundation. That's so important. So once we get the foundation started, we'll move on to the next step, which is traffic. Traffic is very important because you need customers. You need customers in your business to be able to make an income from home, from your phone, or from wherever you are. So you'll discover why traffic is the lifeblood of any business. Learn inside tips and techniques that will get thousands of visitors to your pre-built website. Yes, you will get a website to be able to make money from home. So you'll be able to get all the type of product. You're going to get all the training you need to be able to make money from home. And traffic is one of the most important elements for you to go ahead and do that. But see, after traffic, after you get the customers in, the leads that comes in, you need to convert those to sales. And this is what this step is very important as well, because you'll see how to take your website visitors, we were talking about during the traffic, and turn them into cold, hard cash. Learn the right ways to follow up on your autopilot with your visitors, getting them to know, like, and trust you, or they'll buy from you. So basically means that when you get website visitors in, you'll learn the step-by-step of how to convert the leads into sales. And then once they buy from you once, they'll buy from you again, they'll buy from you again. And that's exactly what you want. Because when you go into a department store, let's say you go to a department store, you'll buy one item. And if you like that item, you'll go back again and buy another item. Then you go back again. So basically, once you like something and trust something and feels good about it, you will continue buying and buying. And that's exactly what conversions is all about. Now, basically, this benefit, what does this benefit? Does it benefit me? Did it benefit you? I believe it does benefit you, because you're probably going to say yes with one of these type of benefits. I know I put yes in most of these in here, especially if anyone who has failed in the past, anyone who needs the step-by-step instructions, who needs a community to help support and guide them. This program will definitely guide you, and you definitely have support in our Facebook group that will definitely give you support, and also give you the love and the encouragement so you can start building your business. But more importantly, I know you're on here because you want to make money online. And check it out. Henry just purchased the Bulletproof 17 minutes ago because he believed in the system. He believed in the system and he believed in himself. And I want you to believe in yourself, so you can go ahead, get this system for $9.97. Right below this video, I do have the link where you can go ahead, look at the same page that you're looking at right now, and then take action on the information that I'm showing you right now. Anyone who is ready for a breakthrough, anyone who's ready to understand what it actually takes to win online, all these things here, it would benefit you if you definitely went through this before, especially if you're ready for a breakthrough, or if you failed in the past, or if you need a step-by-step instructions. This fits you. It fit me. Trust me, it fit me, especially who has failed in the past. Now, what would you learn? The simple steps. Yes, you have the simple steps. Yes, in short, yes. Will I learn how to make money online with these simple 3 steps? That is yes. Plus, you're going to get bonuses. Bonuses is just as important than the steps, right? Yes, you get bonuses. Of course, we all like bonuses. It's almost like going to the department store and the clerk says, hey, we're going to take 15% off because there's a bonus day. Well, you're in luck because you have a bonus right now. You're going to get 3 bonuses. First bonus, you're going to get a one-on-one coaching, private one-on-one coaching with live marketing specialists to help launch your business. That's a $997 value. And check this out, guys. You need to take action in the next 24 hours to take advantage of these bonuses. So let me just start there first. Let me go back to bonus number 2, the Mastery Action Plan. You get a PDF in terms of a 7-day online marketing mastery action plan. That is a $197 value. You're going to need this action plan, especially if you're brand new, because you don't understand the day-to-day functionality that you need to have of starting a business and getting results in your business. So you need some type of action plan. And bonus number 3 is a turnkey global business. You'll learn from Stephen Munson, which is actually the CEO of this program. And he teaches you how to automate your mobile business that gives you the freedom and the flexibility. So the business on the go, I love that because you pretty much can be anywhere in the world to build your business. You can be at home, you can be actually traveling to Los Angeles or New York or Canada or Aruba and still have your business right from your phone or right through your computer. So you definitely want to know this because this definitely can help you learn how the freedom and the flexibility. And that's a $297 value is there. So you get all this plus the 3 steps, the mindset, traffic, and the conversions. And another person, Robert, 8 minutes ago, just bought the system. So this is live, guys. This is happening right now. People are buying the system. They got the information because they really, really believe in the system and they believe in themselves first. So here is more information about it, the breakdown of the mindset, traffic, and the conversions. So you're going to get all this value, what we talked about just about a few minutes ago. So $297 value for the mindset. The traffic is a $297 value. You're going to learn about traffic and conversions. You can learn about how to take those website visitors and turn them to cold hard cash. Each one of the products is $297 value, which is basically adds up to $2,382 when you're adding in the bonuses. The bonuses and then the steps, that's a value of $2,382, and you're only getting it for $9.97. That's less than $10. I know it's only 3 cents. That's less than basically if you're going to the movie theaters or if you're basically going to a concert, if you're going to basically go buy something, like if you're going to go buy a cup. If I'm going to go buy a cup, the cup may be $15. So, $11. I get a system that's going to give me 3 steps of learning how to make money from home and 3 bonuses that's going to take this to the whole different level. So basically, stop self-doubting yourself, saying, I don't have time to do this, because basically when you have this system, you can log in and do it anytime you want. It's very flexible. So it's pretty much, if you log in today, go ahead and purchase today, you can go ahead and take action anytime, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Become bulletproof because it's time for you to go ahead and do that. Because I know you're sitting around here, you're thinking, I want to make some extra money, or I have a good job and I'm not making the money, or I don't have the freedom and the flexibility, or I'm in a business right now and I can use another income stream. This is for you, especially if you're needing all those things. Click on that link below, right below this video, for you to become bulletproof. And not because that it's such a great product, but this is going to allow you to get closer to your goals, your financial goals. It's going to help you get closer to the things you always wanted to accomplish. And you need a blueprint. You need to be bulletproof. My name is Adam Shelton. Let me go ahead and go back to the big screen. My name is Adam Shelton. Like and comment, subscribe to this channel. But more importantly, right below this video, become bulletproof. Click on that link below. My #1 recommendation to make money online with a step-by-step training for you. Click on the link below and I'll see you on the next video.